boys and girls. Another math lesson, and I know you're ready and excited to learn this paper because you know what? You're going to be listening. It's all about listening to the stories, drawing pictures, and you know you like to draw, right? Okay, so before we start our lesson, we are going to count all the way to 100. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We're halfway done. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. You did it. You counted from 1 to 100. Keep practicing at home. You need to practice all summer, and you're going to be fine, okay? Tomorrow, we'll skip count by twos. All right. We are going to start our paper, and it is lesson 12.7. So do you have 12.7 in front of you, boys and girls? I hope you do. All righty. So let me put on my glasses and let me share my screen because I need to read these really fun stories to you so you can learn and we can subtract, all right? So this first page here that is going to come on your screen any second now, and it is there. So we have word problems. You see that? What does word problems mean? That means that you're going to listen to a story and we're going to draw it out, and then depending on what I tell you to do, right? What the story is asking you to do, that's the numbers that you're going to write on the bottom of these blanks right here, okay? And those are your math problems that you're going to write. And these are word problems, but then they will become, right? They will become number problems. Alrighty, so let me show you what I mean. And we will start off with this little boy that is holding a shell next to his ear. And have you ever found one of those shells that you put close to your ear and you hear the ocean waves, right? So that is what the little boy is doing. And it says, draw a picture of the story and mark X's, right? Write the number sentence. So there's different parts to the directions. So let's begin with this little boy right there. And the story says, Patrick picked up 7 shells at the beach. He decided to put 4 back into the water. And how many shells does he have left? So remember, he had 7, right? He found 7. So we're going to put the amount 7 that you're starting with goes right here, 7. 7 is the amount of shells that he found, right? So you're going to draw 7 shells. It could be any kind of shells. It could just be like this swirly because they come in different sizes and shapes. It could be a starfish, right? You just color it in. It could be just round like a sand dollar. It could be anything that you want it to be. but there's got to be 7 of them you're drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. We'll just draw another little swirly. So there we go. We have 7, right? And now look at this right here. That little minus sign is, remember the symbol is called a minus. That means that you are going to cross off because they want you to X, right? Mark X's. And he put back, it said that Patrick put back 4. That means you're going to minus 4. So you're going to take away 4, any of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So how many are left? You're going to go ahead and write 4 right here, right? That's how many he put back. That's how many you minus. How many are left? How many do you have left? 1, 2, 3. And that's the answer right there. Okay, easy peasy. So there we go. I know I went a little bit fast with the drawings, but you could pause it and then work on the problem a little bit at a time. Okay, if that helps you. Look at the little girl and the doggy down at the bottom. It says, Annie brought 7 balls to play with, but Scamper Scamper bit a hole in 2 of the balls. How many balls does Annie have left to play with? So she brought, how many did it say? 7. So let's go ahead and draw 7 of them. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're writing 7 here because that's how many they start off with. And then they said that Scamper put a hole in 2 of the balls. So we're going to minus 2 of them because he made holes on 2 of those balls. So you're going to go ahead and put number 2 right there. And how many left? How many balls are left that he did not put holes in? Well, let's see. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you say 5? You're right. Scamper had 7, put holes in 2. They needed to throw them away. And then he still had 5 left over. Okay, boys and girls, great job. Now let's go ahead and go to the next page on the back. Please turn it around, flippity floppity. Let's go ahead and read the directions with me. They changed. Do you see that? Now it says draw a picture of the story. Mark X's and write the number sentences. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to the top, number 1, and let me read the story to you. Here we go. It says, Devin filled 7 buckets of sand to build a sandcastle. But his sister knocked 1 bucket over. How many buckets of sand does he still have? Well, let's go ahead and draw the 7 buckets. So draw it with me. It doesn't have to be perfect, boys and girls. You could just draw it like this. You can draw some rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you could even draw like little handles just so they look like buckets, right? There's 7 of them. You're writing 7 here. And how many did he knock over? Let's see. It says that they knocked over 1. So we're going to go ahead and knock 1 over. That means it's minusing 1. You're going to put an X. But how many buckets do you still have? Well, count them with me. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they still have 6 buckets left, right? So it's okay. Don't be sad. You still have some buckets left. And now let's go to oh, look at how beautiful these pelicans are. Have you ever seen pelicans at the beach, boys and girls? They're funny, right? They have short little legs, and then they go down and get fish, and those awesome creatures that God made. Let's see what the story says. It says, above the pelicans were 6 clouds. The wind blew away 3 of them. How many clouds are left? Oh, that's nice. We get to draw 6 clouds. So I'm going to use my blue, but you could just use your pencil. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clouds. Okay? So we're going to write a 6 here because they start off with 6 clouds. And they say that 3, I believe, 3, the wind blew 3 of them. So let's go ahead and cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. Put a 3 here. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3. There we go. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. And the one on top says 7 minus 1 equals 6, right? Remember that? And then on the front, it says the top is 7 minus 4 equals 3, and 7 minus 2 equals 5. See that? So there's all kinds of combinations that we made, and you just learned how to write word problems. You listened, you drew it, right? And then you wrote it down as a number math problem. And you did fantastic. I'm very, very proud of you. If I went too fast, like I said, please make sure that you play this over again. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and keep working on IXL, like I said, and practice makes you a better math person, okay? And you need to know math all your life, okay? All right, I love you and you have a fantastic day. Bye.